Look at Goliath. Look at his stance. Don't you be licking your chops, Goliath. Sammy's like wiggle, 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 wiggle.
He loves other animals, Samson.
Mm-hmm.
He's always been the one to check out the other animals. He's really good friends with the rabbit.
Yeah, our bunny.
Oreo.
We put him in the back of a trailer with the rabbit, just him and the rabbit, and Samson like lied down, and the bunny hopped over and like cuddled up with him. Aww.
He doesn't dare leave the safety of the hole. No, he's trying to.
Thinking about it.
Hey, come here. Here I am.